Hello everyone, we are at the Hampton Inn and Suites, Baltimore Inner Harbor, which is right downtown Baltimore. It's pretty late at night. What time is it? 9, I think, at night. We had another very stressful, very long drive today. We went to Colonial Williamsburg until about 3. We left there about 3:15, and according to Google Maps, when I checked it last night, should have been here by 6:15. We didn't get here until 8:30, 9 o'clock. Again, just driving in this region, I don't understand it. That's probably a whole separate video. But I'm gonna show you around. This is a full service hotel. We got our stuff out of the car and valet parking took our car. And it's a very big, tall, impressive lobby. What was downstairs of the lobby?
Downstairs, there was the exercise room, and I could see some more rooms.
Okay, so there were some rooms and the fitness room in like the lower level from the lobby. I'm going to show you around this room. This room is room 624?
Yes.
624. So we're on the 6th floor. This is not the top floor. Did anybody notice how many floors there were? 7 floors.
That's how high the elevator went.
Oh, the elevator went to 7.
The Spring Hill Suites next door is a lot taller. The Spring Hill Suites next door is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 floors. So it seems weird that the Hampton
Is shorter?
is shorter, because I feel like Hampton is superior to Spring Hill Suites.
Yes.
I don't know.
We definitely feel that way after this trip. Go back and watch all of our hotel room reviews. So this is, as you can see, a very spacious room and very high ceilings. I feel like this was probably an older building and this has been completely renovated as this hotel. So I came in the door right here, and to the left, there's this one sink, kind of all by itself, and a little trash there. And the mirror is above it. There is a light over the mirror. There were no towels or anything out here, and I had to go get that towel from in the other bathroom, and that's the bath soap. There was no facial soap or hand soap, and I noticed there's also no lotion, so I don't know if they're missing supplies or if housekeeping missed something or what. Tissues, okay. And then there's the door here that goes into the other bathroom. I mean, this is very modern and nice. I like this artwork. Tub, shower. Good shower head, curved shower head. Big light on the ceiling. There's a hook there. And then there's just in the commode. And then there's just 2 bath towels, and there were just 2 hand towels and 2 washcloths and extra toilet paper. So I don't know. I mean, this room is 2 queen beds and a sofa bed, so it seems like they kind of shorted us on towels. There's another hook on the door, and then the closet is right here, and there's an ironing board and an iron, and the hair dryer's up there. No safe, and I took the luggage rack out of there, and it's now sitting over there with Megan's suitcase on it. And then there's like this little 2-drawer dresser thing, and my suitcase is sitting on that. And then there's this big long desk here, which all the rest of our stuff, because remember this is an 8-day trip, and a desk chair, and there's a big screen TV over that, and then there is a sofa with Ben on it, and that does turn into a sofa bed, which we will not be using. And Megan is looking out the window, and I really like the artwork in here. It's really cool. It's very quiet in here. Like out in the hall, I could hear sounds from other rooms, but I can't hear anything from the room. Mm-hmm. See, there's the spring.
These curtains are soft.
These curtains are soft. Yeah, they're nice.
Using them as a blanket.
Okay, so as you can see, we are in the city. So down there is where we left our car. We're facing the front of the hotel, and the Spring Hill Suites is across the street, and there's some really pretty architecture on that building. And then what does that say? Shakespeare?
Yeah, that's a theater.
Oh, cool.
Chesapeake Company Shakespeare, I don't know.
Oh.
But look, they're doing Dracula and A Christmas Carol and Hamlet and a bunch of others I can't read.
Wow, I can't even see any of that, so good job. Okay, and I believe the Inner Harbor, was it that way or was it back?
I
It's either behind us, yeah. So anyway, big, huge, tall windows.
Did you show the art?
No, the art over the beds is absolutely smashing. Love it.
It's very abstract.
Really
It's
it's like the harbor
It's like they took a picture and
then like made it into an abstract painting. Yeah, it's like the Baltimore Harbor. And I really like the blue headboards. There's just a little modern
It's like blue, white, and red.
Hampton thing with an alarm clock, which seems to be unplugged, and a phone, which we just used to ask, how do we turn off that light?
Can I grab a towel for that?
Yeah. So there's a little kitchenette over here to the left of the beds, which is cool. But the fridge door is clear and the light is on. And so Megan just called down to the front desk and asked, how do we turn the light off? And they said, we're sorry, ma'am, you can't. You can just unplug it. Yeah, we can't unplug
This is
it.
gonna work.
Probably not, but at least it'll dim it a little. And over here also there's a sink and some cupboards
In my head.
and a microwave and a coffee maker with coffee stuff and another big mirror. And then over here on this wall, there's 3
It's gonna start a fire.
blue hooks. I don't know.
Oh my god.
And yeah, the 2 queen beds. I like this room a lot. I like how, like, this is all the hard floor, but then see, they've got the carpet around the bed, like it should be, so you don't freeze your feet and drop stuff and it's all noisy. And there's a full-length mirror right here, so plenty of mirrors.
Yeah, like if you throw your phone in the bed.
Yeah. So Megan's trying to cover the fridge with a towel because we could not, they said to unplug it, but we can't get at the plug. It's behind it. So that's a little bit of a design flaw. And they did not seem surprised by your question, Megan.
No.
So they probably get this question a lot.
Like immediately.
They're probably
No reservation, no.
they're probably regretting the choice of the clear doored fridges.
Okay. Well, there's the towel. It
Yeah.
does help. It's probably gonna be a lot less bright with this on it.
Yeah.
But you know, if when we turn the light off, it turns off.
That'd be funny.
I just spent that whole time struggling with the towel, only to have it turn off.
Okay. So there you go. That was our tour of our room at the Hampton Inn and Suites, Baltimore Inner Harbor. I do believe this is a 2-queen sofa suite. This is probably larger than your average standard hotel room here. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. We are here for one night, and then tomorrow we're going to go explore the Inner Harbor, and we have tickets to the National Aquarium, which is within walking distance, and then we have to head back to the airport to fly home. So be sure you're subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss any of our travel videos. And be sure you go back and watch the rest of the videos in this playlist if you haven't seen them already. Thanks everyone, safe travels!